How's it going, guys? It's your mate, good old Tech Santa. Welcome to Tech Santa's workshop. Today is the kids' favourite day of the year. It's Christmas Day, and we're going part shopping because we're going to build a Christmas build. Yeah. First thing I better do is pick a CPU. What's this guy? Oh, mate. AMD. Oh, mate. What's this? 2700X. All right, Tech Santa. Here we go. Don't have me bag today, kids. Whoa, what else have we got? Better pick a GPU. You kids love GPUs. You got these RTX cards and all these GTX cards. We're gonna go something different today, ladies and gents. And Christmas kids out there, if we're gonna get one, go for one of these guys. That's a Vega 64. Not powerful enough. That's what I was thinking. Oh, I think we'll go 2 Vega 64s. Sounds about right. Yeah, right, yeah. What's Tech Santa got for us? Where did this come from? 1300 watts. Why would you possibly need anything like this? You guys reckon we should use it? Oh, I mean, you can't vote. All right, here we go. We got power. What else do we need? Mrs. Claus? Mrs. Tech Claus. That's my throat. Need a cooler. I think we'll use that one. Yeah? What do you reckon? All right, we'll use the ML360R. What else? We're gonna use some of these fans. Some of these Cooler Master addressable RGB fans that all the kids love. Love all your unicorn stuff everywhere. Tech Santa's gonna look after you. We've got the 140 versions as well. Maybe we'll use some of that Santa magic to bring something very special in for this build. Tech Santa coming through with the products. Tech Santa, yeah. It was a good idea when we were thinking about making this video, wasn't it? Probably should have planned a bit better. Tech Santa coming through. Yeah. Look at that, mate. You guys asked for it. We're giving it to ya. Cosmos C700M. It's got all the unicorn spew you could possibly ever want. All the water cooling support you would ever need. And yeah, we're gonna build in it. You guys ready? Are you sure? All right, let's do it, I guess. Yeah, let's build. Let's build. Let's build.
bust this.
I hope you enjoyed that different style of build featuring our mate Tech Santa. It looks pretty familiar, right? Right? Right, Claire? Tech Santa looks familiar. The Cooler Monster Cosmo C700M is super easy to build in. It's far easier to build in than its older brother, the C700P. The build took me half of the time that I usually would because of how easy it is to work with. This is the first of a few builds that we're going to be doing with the C700M, but because it's the end of the year and the year's basically done, you'll have to wait for next year for all those builds to happen. You guys might also be wondering what happened to our Vega 64 Crossfire video that I promised when we did the C700M inverted build last month. The truth is, the 1200 watt power supply we had didn't have enough juice to power the system when it was at full load. You hit overcurrent protection and it shut off. I spoke to Cooler Master about it and they hooked us up with the PSU with 100 watt more, so yeah, that works. And yeah, so far it's been pretty good. Look out for our Vega 64 Crossfire video coming out in the next few weeks. Since it's Christmas and Christmas is a holiday that we celebrate here in Australia, we will be taking a few days off to spend time with family and friends, and I think we've earned it since we've done like 250 videos this year. And yeah, it's been a pretty wild ride. Also, we're so close to 10,000 subscribers. I can feel it in my bones. We have a very special 10,000 subscriber build coming as well. And I promised that at 5,000 subscribers, but it is coming and it's very, very cool. Yep, that's that. If you're interested in any of the parts, links down below. From myself, Claire, and Big Cat, we want to wish you all a very Merry Gear-Seeking Christmas. We hope you eat lots of food and spend time with your family, and most of all, we hope Tech Santa visited you guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, you know what to do, and tell us what you hated about it. Once again, thank you so very much for watching. I'm your boy Nick with Gear Seekers, and that's your lady over there, Claire with Gear Seekers. We peek, you seek. And I did that backwards because may your CPUs get overclocked and your GPUs run right. Merry Christmas to all, and to all, a good night.